For the transgender community, one of the reasons as well why workplace issues matter so much is because for so many of us, work is how we get our health care.
The reason for employer-provided health care is to ensure a healthy, thriving, productive workforce.
When a company understands that a person needs to be able to bring their full self to work, to be able to show up healthy, rested, all of these things, having healthcare that provides services specifically for trans needs allows me as a trans person to show up healthy.
When we're talking about transgender healthcare and access, we often are talking about the need for medical leaves for certain procedures for some people, not everyone. And when we're talking about medical leave, just like all medical leave, this is a confidential matter. We need to keep appropriate privacy and confidentiality around the medical procedures that folks are seeking. So we want to make sure that we honor privacy in conversations around medical needs.
What it means in practice is that a transgender person can get coverage for medically necessary options such as hormone replacement therapy, gender affirmation surgery, and other aspects of a medical gender transition.
Any gender-affirming surgery, whether it be gender reassignment surgery, whether it be some measure of facial feminization surgery, for example, for a trans woman, those sorts of things, they should all be covered. Hormones, on whether for trans men or trans women, estrogen, testosterone, that should all be covered as well. So the pharma piece of it should all be covered. Those sorts of things. I think the other piece too that sometimes is forgotten is it's one thing to make sure that your medical providers cover those expenses, but it's another thing to make sure that your short-term disability coverage, for example, also covers this, that provides an umbrella for the employee.
Being transgender in the workplace and having adequate health care is a very important thing to me, especially. With Food Lion, they do offer me a really impressive healthcare package. Without that, I can promise you, I wouldn't be able to have the resources I need to be myself and to have the confidence that it takes to do what I do.